Hi out there in the YouTube. It's been a hot minute, huh? It's been a while. And in this video, I wanted to do, well, you already saw from the title, a package opening. And I hope that it is what I think it is, or else, pardon the glare. I have the light set up right there, that's why there's glare. But you don't need to see this anyway. It's got my address and all that. Although, I will leave my address below if you want to, send me something that's cool. Anyone that knows my channel might know the kind of things I'm interested in. My channel isn't really one theme. It's kind of just, like all channels, I'm blabbing to the camera. But I mean, it's getting to know me in ways that otherwise you wouldn't. And yeah, so I will leave my P.O. box or some kind of contact information below. The opening now. That was not very climactic. Okay, there we go. Yay! Okay, it is. I could tell right away by the gold shiny color that it was what I ordered. So I didn't want an elastic band to get me in the eye. So, here it is. I don't know if I'm going to test it out in this video. Even holding this, I suddenly got very nervous. So, yeah, it's a mole remover. So, this is what it looks like. So, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the gauges there for power modes. And it comes with the little needles that are like in here for zapping. And let's see what's inside, huh? Hopefully some information or some instructions. But I ordered this one because it looked different, yes, much different than than a lot of the other ones that were being used. The size looked a little more compact. If you see, I'm holding it there. The other ones looked like double the length of this. So this one has smaller dimensions. It's a little more compact. And therefore, travel friendly is kind of what I was thinking. So, if I wanted to bring this on a road trip or something, it'd be very easy for me to pack this. Because there's three, there's the needle thing too, but that don't take up a lot of room, right? Like, can you hear that? They're like the little metal syringes. They're not actually like needles, and they're not sharp enough to like. They look sharp though. That's what concerns me a little bit. I've seen a bunch of videos, and it comes with these too. The different tips. I'll probably use that big tip there, just because it looks like one of the ones that's supposed to be more, it looks like a more durable, like these look like they're more for, like if you were going to a friend's, you might use this and then you throw the tip out after or something, so there's like a whole bunch of them that are all the same. But just letting you know, just in case, if you do order this product off eBay, I also got this one because it wasn't very expensive. I think it was only like $10 or $15, which is like, if it permanently removes moles and like even like scars and stuff like that, that would be phenomenal. So, yeah. And it also comes with the extra tips there, but there's only one of each. So it comes with like a sturdy, girthy metal pointed one, and then one that's really kind of stumpy. But these ones are more like you would just disinfect it after, because there's only one. These ones I think you probably would just dispose of. But yeah, I'm not gonna be burning myself. So I can sense the disappointment there. I'm like, burn yourself? Come on, just be like zzz. But I might do that in a future video because I do have moly on my kind of my collarbone there, and it doesn't look that big or bad, and it's not big or bad, but I even have one also behind my ear here, I don't know if you can see. But it's right there. And that one, it's not very pigmented, so you can't even really actually see it that much. Like, the camera might have been able to see it a bit, but I mean, it's not like black like that one is. But it does stick up. And sometimes, like, if I'm really itchy or something, you know, you may be scratching your head, scratching your neck. And I have scratched that before, and it, like, even bled. Like, and it hurt. Yeah. So, and it wasn't like I was trying to scratch it off. It was because I kind of forgot that it was there, and I was really itchy, and I scratched there, and my nail kind of like cut it, and it bled. Like, I remember putting a tissue on it, and blood and stuff, and it hurt for a couple days, even to like touch. It was like really sensitive. So, hopefully burning it off doesn't hurt too much. But then it should hopefully make the surface of the skin flat, from all the research I'm reading and videos and stuff I've watched about this. And if it heals flat, and hopefully will stay like that for at least a year or two before, like, the skin might attempt to regrow it if you missed any spot of the material originally, it could come back. But I just want it to be flat there. I don't even care if there's like a little scar. I mean, it's behind my ear. It's not really for aesthetic reasons at all. It's just, like I said, if I'm scratching or something, I don't want to accidentally have that happen again, you know, because it was so painful. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked my content, and look forward to future video. I'm going to be doing more. I know I kind of dropped off the radar, other than I posted 2 songs the other day. It is just me singing them. I did it to some like non-copyright music that I always leave the link for in the YouTube versions, because it's from YouTube, and if they say non-copyright, you can use it in your videos. So some of it I will use just for musical inspiration, and, you know, make it up, just kind of improv on the spot music, which is different than, I don't know, just sitting down and really, really contemplating and giving it a lot of thought. Sometimes the songs turn out really cool, or at least like okay. Like the ones I posted on YouTube, I thought they were alright. Compared to some, when I've listened to them later, I'm like, or I recorded it like on my phone, and I'm like really close, so it sounds like blah, blah, like, you know, really distorted. So those ones, if there's like potential in those ones, then I might consider redoing them. It's kind of what I do. But yeah, shoot me a line down below if you liked my video. Feedback and all that's always appreciated. And like I said, give me a thumbs up if you liked. And if you didn't, then boo-hoo. Bye.